for your girl. Too sexy for this world. Too sexy for this ice. Too sexy for that jet. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it.
Hey baddies, and welcome back to my channel. Can't tell by this title, we are going to be doing another affordable sneaker unboxing. Today we are going to be unboxing the Rick Owens Dark Shadow Phlegathons. I think that's how you say it. We will be styling it as well, so I'll give you guys a little bit of outfit inspo at the end of the video. If this is your first time coming to my channel, then definitely go check out my affordable sneaker playlist because I have so many sneaker reviews and so many sneaker plugs for you guys to get some sneakers for the low, designer shoes, Jordans, Yeezys, all of that. So with that being said, let's just get into the video. So these Rick Owens that I'm showing you guys today were sent to me from an affordable plug called Mayshow. So thank you so much to them for sending me these shoes. Definitely go check out their website, and all of their information is going to be listed below. I will leave a discount code on the screen if I have one. So for the box looks like on the outside. It's very simplistic, gray color on the outside on the box, and then it just says Dark Shadow. And then on the side of the box you have the info card. So it just says Rick Owens, and I got mine in a size 40 UK. And first of all, I really want to talk about this first. Cannot stress this enough with the sizing. You guys, these shoes are really narrow and run really small. Originally I was gonna go with 38, but then I was like, no, 39, and I was like, no, you know what, they don't go by half sizes, so let me do 40. It fits me perfectly. And when I first saw them, I was really scared because I thought that they were not gonna fit. Thankfully they fit, and with boots, especially zip up boots, you definitely want to have some room. You're gonna want to wear socks with that in like the colder seasons. You're not gonna have enough space to do that, so definitely size up. That is it for the box. There's nothing really special about it. It's just a great color with the dark shadow on top, and then you just pull it open. Oh my gosh, was I showing it to you guys upside down this whole time? I think I was. But yeah, that's how it's supposed to look. There you go. And then you just pull it open. And then it comes with the two shoes. One of them is over there. I just have one here just to show you guys. They came wrapped in plastic and then with stuffing on the inside, as well as the shoe also came with the lace tied around the ankle part. Which is definitely how I'm going to be wearing the shoes. So here's what the shoes look like. As you guys can see, they are super narrow. I was expecting them to look a lot bigger, so I'm really happy that they didn't end up looking like some clown shoes. Everything just like fell through perfectly with these shoes, because I'm telling you, I was scared. I was really scared that they were gonna be too big, and they ended up being just perfect. So here's what they look like. I have worn these out one time before and they're really comfortable. High tops. They don't really have too much of a platform, which I'm not like in love with platform shoes, so I'm fine with that. I'm not going to show you guys the bottom of the shoe because it's really dirty since I wore it out. Normal bottom sole, and then it says Dark Shadow again on the bottom. And yeah, the shoe is very simplistic but really cute to me. I just love how it doesn't have like too much brands like how Nike or Converse would do, like with their logo and stuff on the side. It's just simple, and it also has like an off-white color-ish to it, if you guys can't tell, with the shoelaces. So yeah, there's not really much to the shoes. It has stitching around the edge, and then these two little holes, and then as well as a zipper. Let me take this second out to show you guys the inside, and the inside is pretty dope. So on the tongue of the shoe, on the inside, it just has, I think in the picture this is like a woman with like heels on and she's sitting down. I cannot really make out the picture, but it's a black and white picture, and I think that's really cool, really interesting. And then on the inside it just says Rick Owens, and then you can just zip it up. And then on the side of the shoe, oh, this is just the shoe information. So it says 40 and then it says 1108-3. I don't know what that means, but it has numbers on the inside. And yeah, they're really, really simplistic shoes. There's really not much to say about them, but I just love them. I know that these shoes, oh my god, these shoes are so staple, so key. And honestly, I could not bring myself to spend $1,000 on these shoes. These ones that Mayshow sent me are definitely a perfect dupe, and yeah, I really, really love them. They're really easy to style and they're very versatile as well. Like I've seen girls wear these with dresses, seen girls wear these with literally sweatpants, and they just make outfits look so, so good. So I cannot wait to show you guys how I plan to style these with a few outfits, as well as show you guys these shoes on foot, because I feel like that's really important to see. So in the next part of the video, I'm going to show you those things, and yeah, make sure.
Yeah. Wow. I'm too sexy for this girl, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that jack. Yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah.
Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. Way too sexy. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. Way too sexy. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Way too sexy. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed.
So here is the first outfit. Pretty basic, pretty simple. I wore this the first day I got my Rick Owens because I couldn't resist wearing it. This is the ultimate material girl outfit, okay? For the top, we have on this sweater from Shein. I don't love the quality of this sweater, but I do really love the back of it. It just says "Love never fails," which I really like the back. The back definitely matches with the shoes. And then I have my Marc Jacobs tote on, some cargos that are also from Shein. They're just black simple cargos. I definitely want to get these tailored because I feel like they would look way better if they were more fitted, you know. And then I just tucked them into my Rick Owens. Now let's get on to outfit number 2. Okay, so here is the second outfit. Sorry if I'm talking low, guys. It's really, really late. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning. So that's why I'm talking slow. But here is the second outfit. It's more of a chill vibe outfit. I mean, the last one was chill vibes, but like that, the last one is definitely something I would wear like day to day, going anywhere. I have on this top. This is from Shein. It is a part of a 2-piece set. It comes with shorts, but I just have on the top right now. And then I have on some gray joggers. These are from Shein as well. Oh my god, everything I'm wearing is from Shein. Everything. The puffer, the bag, everything. God damn, that is sad. So, and then I have on the Rick Owens. I did see a picture like this on Pinterest, like a girl wearing Rick Owens in gray joggers, but I can't find it anymore, so
claps.
So I just have on this white wife beater dress. This is from Sherbo, I think. Yeah, I believe this is from Sherbo. And the shoes, just to show you guys that it definitely can go with a dress. If I had like a maxi dress, I would definitely wear that with this as well. Really simple, really cute, really basic. Onto the last outfit. Okay, so here is the third or fourth outfit. I think I cannot even remember. I lost track at this point. But it is a little bit more dressy. It turned out a little bit matchy because I couldn't find the right top that inspired me to do this outfit. I wanted like a white top that was like a cute little, you know, maybe off the shoulder or like cut out type of vibe. But I didn't have anything like that in my closet, so I was just like, okay, let me just go for this nude cami. And I mean, it's a little bit matchy, but I think it's cute. You get the vibe, you know. So I have on this button up. This is from Zara. And then I have on this nude cami and these trousers. These are from Yall Apparel, or Yall the label. And then of course my Rick Owens. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, I really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave it in the comments, or DM me on Instagram. I will be more than happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Yeah, definitely make sure to go check out my other reviews and unboxings, because I have plenty of other affordable shoe unboxings for you guys to watch. I'll see you guys in the next video.